With the world rapidly shifting towards the digital age, it's never been more important to spend quality family time outdoors. Well, thankfully, the Algoma region of Ontario makes this easy. For young anglers, few things will get them hooked faster than the beauty of a brook trout caught on one of Algoma's crystal clear streams, or the crazy fight of a northern pike, or even the excitement of catching a panfish off a dock. For those looking for the ultimate family getaway, the Algoma region is home to a virtually endless amount of drive-to fishing lodges that are guaranteed to provide you with the fishing memories of a lifetime. And for those looking to get off the beaten path, Algoma's fly-in lodges can provide you with access to remote fish-filled lakes with all the creature comforts you would expect from a five-star resort. Algoma truly is the ultimate destination for your next family fishing adventure. Algoma, that real.